Right, these are the ingredients needed to make stuffed turkey that will serve 4 people, only 4 people. If I want to know how much ingredients I need for 8 people, you know, double 4 people is 8 people. We've got twice as many people. So obviously we'll need twice the many ingredients. So instead of 500 grams of turkey, I'll need 1,000 grams of turkey. Instead of 1 onion, I'll need 2 onions, and so on. Yeah, that one's pretty obvious. But let's say 2 people. For 2 people, what would it be? Well, for 4 people, it's these ingredients, but we've got half the amount of people. So we need to halve the ingredients. Half of 500 grams is 250 grams. Half of one onion is half an onion, and so on. Now, what if I wanted to invite 10 people? How much ingredients I'll need for that? Well, with the 10, I know I can split that up into 4 people, another 4 people, 4 and 4 makes 8. I'll need another 2 people. 4 add 4 add 2 makes 10 people. Right, I know what I need for 4 people. It's already there, look. Let's say for turkey, let's do this for turkey. And so for 4 people, we already know for 4 people we need 500 grams of turkey. For 4 people, we already know it's 500 grams of turkey. But wait, for 2 people, well, 2 people is half of 4 people. So we need to half the 500 grams. Half of 500 is 250. Right, let's try onion. For 4 people, we know it's 1 onion. For 4 people, we know it's 1 onion. But look, 2 people, half of 4 people here is 2 people. So we need to half the 1 onion. You get half an onion. Right, for garlic, 4 people is 2 garlics. Right, for 2 people, because we know half of 4 is 2 people, so half of 2 garlics is going to be 1 garlic. Mushrooms. We know it's 150 grams. 4 people is 150 grams. But for 2 people, it's going to be half the amount. That'll be half of 150. You can do 150 divided by 2. Right, you can check without a calculator. 150 divided by 2. 2 into 1 doesn't go. So you stick a 0 to say you can't do it. And then carry that 1 over here. Carry this 1 over here. Right, 2 into 15 now. 2 into 15 goes 7 times. Remainder 1. And then 2 into 10 goes 5. That's 75. That's what we have here, 75. Right, spinach. We need 140 grams for the 4 people. Same here. Half of 140, 70 grams. Chicken stock, right, we have 300 ml. Right there, look, 300 ml. 300 ml. Half of 300 is going to be 150 ml. What you then need to do, because we've got 4 people plus 4 people plus 2 people makes 10 people, we need to add these up. So for the turkey, it's going to be, let me just choose a different color. For turkey, it's 500 plus 500 plus 250 is 1,250 grams. Right, we need, for onions, we need 2.5 onions. That's 1 add 1 plus half, that makes 2.5 onions. Garlic, that's 5 garlics there. Right, mushroom, 375 grams. Just adding these up. Spinach, that's 140 plus 140 makes 280. 350 grams of spinach. And this one here, that adds up to 750 ml. Right. This is what we need for 10 people. Right, if you want to do the same thing, but this time let's say for 18 people, well, you can split that 18 people into 4 people, 4, 4, 4 and 4 and 4 makes 12, right, another 4, that makes 16, right, another, right, 2, right, 4, 8, 12, 16, that's 16 there, another 2 makes 18. So for the turkey, for example, this turkey, you need 500 grams to serve 4 people. We already know that because it's written here, 500 grams. But for 2 people, it's going to be half the amount. That will be 250 grams. Then all you're going to do is add all this up. It's going to be 5, 10, 15, 2,250 grams of turkey needed to serve 18 people. Right, and you can do similar kind of calculations for the other ingredients.